Hello, welcome to Yeouul Art channel. Today's video is a tutorial. A few days ago, I got a question about adding shades to trees in comments. I think that it couldn't be enough to explain with an answer. So I made this video. If you subscribe to my channel, you might know it seems like my first time sketching with a pencil. I took the pencil from my suitcase to take this video. I think that I don't sketch at all. In fact, the reason is one, just lazy to do it. By the way, I will start the tutorial now. I will show you with the basic shape first. I will skip the very detailed explanation and explain it very simply. When you think the light comes from the top left part will be the brightest as it touches the light. And where the light cannot reach it will be the darkest. And this part is not completely dark because the light is reflected in it. In theory, this is called reflected light. And there will be a shadow in the opposite direction to the light. The shape of the tree consists of leaves with branches extending out. It looks like a bunch of spears. I will simplify and explain the shape of the tree. It could look like this. The leaves part is a bunch of spears. You can think of the tree trunk as a cylinder. Then I will show you how to describe it with watercolor. I did the same with the previous pencil drawing and painted with watercolors. After coloring, it looks more like a tree, right? Then I will draw a tree description. To describe the leaves, I'm painting watercolors like dots. The overall shape is like a spear. The shape can be freely transformed while describing. There is this kind of way, and I will show you another way. I will show you how to draw randomly. Like the tree watercolor that I showed you before, I'm painting like adding the shadow between the leaves. So I don't use darker colors as well on the top of the trees. In this way, you can use any color you like to describe the tree. I've been teaching on art for the past few years. Actually, I don't like theory lessons very much. There are no rules and answers in art. As an art beginner, if you first learn drawing theory, you can think that it's necessary to do this. Each one has their own style. I think it's another way to express yourself. If everyone draws the same, you can lose your own. I have always respected my students' drawing style, but sometimes you might need to learn theory. Because knowing the theory, sometimes you can express more of what you want to do. For example, if I learn making pasta, even though I've never cooked before, I won't be able to start with the pasta noodles and sauce. I may need to know how to boil noodles and fry sauce in a pan. So even when drawing, if you need to draw a tree, if it's difficult to describe what you want, by searching for the information, you can describe more of what you want to do. Actually, for this reason, I have only shown you to draw. If you have any question, please leave a comment. I will show you draw a video like this. Please continue to watch the rest of the video. Thank you.